Hello all. In this video I shall explain how to upgrade the firmware for the USB UART IC on Arduino board. This is the USB UART IC 80MB8U2 or 80MB16U2 found on the Arduino Uno board. This is behind the USB connector and above the crystal. There is a small SMD chip. That is this chip provides the USB functionality to the Arduino Uno board. When the firmware on this IC is corrupted, even if you connect the USB wire to PC, there will be no response. The LED may light up, but there will be no response inside the device manager. If you open up the device manager and plug the USB wire, there will be no response. That plug and play response is not there. To upgrade the firmware, we have to collect first the hex file, which is the firmware itself, and the flip software FLIP from Atmel. First you have to download the flip software FLIP. That is the firmware upgrade software of Atmel. Go to Atmel's website, atmel.in website, and in the search type in flip. You will be taken up to the download site. Click download. Select the one with JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. That is around 21 MB of size. Just click on to download. Next we have to download the firmware. That is the Arduino USB serial Uno hex file. Google for Arduino USB serial uno.hex. It is in the GitHub repository. This is the hex file we are going to upgrade. There is no download button in GitHub. Just click on the raw button at the right hand side. And then click Save Pages. Do not change anything in this Save As page. Just click Save. It will be stored as a hex file. These two are the files we have collected for upgrading the firmware. The first one is the JRE flip installer, and the second one is the actual hex file to be upgraded. Double click JRE flip installer to start the installation. Now the flip installation starts. Accept the default locations. Click on next. Installation is complete now. Click finish. Now connect the USB wire to Arduino board. The first pin of ICSP should be grounded. This is the first pin of ICSP. Connect a wire to the first pin of ICSP and then connect it to ground. Insert another wire into the ground pin of Arduino. LED. Right below the RX LED there is a SMD component capacitor. To the left hand side, just touch. Now this LED blinks up, indicating that Arduino has gone into DFU mode. Be careful while touching this wire. You have to touch the left side of the SMD capacitor that is found just below the RX LED. Some boards may have two capacitors. Touch the one right below the RX LED. After touching the second wire to the left side of the SMD capacitor, just remove the jumper wire from ICSP pin 1. Now you can see under the device manager, the Arduino Uno has entered the DFU mode, but you see an exclamation mark indicating that the drivers are not there. You have to install the drivers. Just right click on Arduino Uno DFU and click on Update Driver Software. Click Browse My Computer for driver software, and you browse to the location where you install the flip software. In this case it is under C Program Files, Atmel, Flip 3.4.7 and under USB folder. Click on Include Subfolders and then click Next. Click Install. Now the drivers are being installed. Now Windows has successfully updated your driver software, and you can see the display 8090 USB A2. And under Device Manager, you can see under Atmel USB devices the same display 8090 USB A2. Now your Arduino board is ready to accept the firmware. Close the Device Manager. Fire up Flip software. Flip. This is the Atmel's Flip firmware upgrade software. Now the software has already recognized your device 8090 USB A2. And at the right bottom you see communication is off. To make that on, select the under Settings, under Communication, select USB. Click USB port connection open. Now you see at the right side corner, bottom corner, USB on. Now load the hex file you have downloaded already. Now click on File and load hex file and browse to the location where you have stored the firmware hex file. This is the Arduino USB serial uno.hex file. Click on OK. Now the hex file has come into the buffer of the Flip software. Click on Run. Within a second the firmware is loaded onto your chip. Now the TX LED glows on your Arduino Uno board, indicating that the firmware has been uploaded. Now open up the Device Manager and then remove the USB connection from the Arduino Uno board. The Atmel devices will vanish. Again connect the USB connector to the Arduino Uno board. Now under ports, it is displayed as communication port or Arduino Uno. Now the firmware is upgraded and ready to use. Thank you for watching.